right people of TikTok, YouTube and Facebook, I believe. So Amber is out teaching Sherne how to do a reverse right bear park. So she's done a reverse left, she's done a forward left, and we've got the reverse right left. So what she's going to do now is she's going to move forward that way, then reverse into a bear on this side. So let's see how she does it. Now Shirley's been with us for a couple of months now, since time we departed. So you'll see that she's turning to the left now. As she's turning to the left, she's looking for one of the bear lines in her right door mirror. Once she sees that, she will do a full lock to the right and reverse into any bay available to her behind her. So we're watching how she's doing it now. Forgive me, it's windy. So she's got a full lock, so I believe she's going into this bay that I'll be standing behind. She should be coming into this bay here. And we'll see that in a few moments. Now she's permitted 3 adjustments as she goes into the bay. So what she'll do, you can see that she's going to touch the line in a few moments, and when she realises that she cannot see the line, she will go forward and she will correct her positioning. So if she finished her manoeuvre like this, she would fail her test. However, she continues reversing and does a full lock to the left as she reverses, which she should be doing any second now. You can see the wheels tidying up. So you'll see a full lock left coming in now. There we are. So she'll come back and she'll make that adjustment. Okay, now she's moving forward with a full lock to straighten up inside the bay. Now what she could do is look at the silver post ahead of her to give her what I call a straight line plumb. And now that she'll move forward, she'll see both lines. Now she'll reverse into a bay. Now this is her final adjustment she's permitted. So she's permitted 3 adjustments, depending on the time of the test and depending on what she was doing on the test. Sometimes you're only permitted 1. She's reversing back, and now she's got a position which is corrected. She's got an equal distance on either side, and now she's reversing until she's at the end of her. So reasonably, she's making adjustments and she's driving at a reasonable pace, so she would be permitted to finish the manoeuvre. So she'll come back a little bit more, and she'll come to a stop there. Now that is a perfect bear park. Despite what you saw, that is perfect. Actually, well done, congratulations. Well done. That's a nice bear park. That, even I'm impressed with. There we are. And there we've got a complete, satisfying bear park. £20 says she passes on her first attempt.